the late summer, we're all trying to strike it rich with landscape gold. Today, Southern Gardening is at the South Mississippi Branch Station in Poplarville, where we have struck the mother lode. Our first look at landscape gold is twisted yellow celosia. It has a unique yellow color that is boldly tinged with gold. This is a cristata type of celosia that attracts attention because of its unique form and texture. It's perfect for the sunny garden and will tolerate our heat and humidity. Having Goldsturm rudbeckia in the landscape is like hitting that main vein of gold. I have grown this plant for years and it has never been fussy in my landscape. The bright golden yellow flowers with dark foliage is a hard combo to beat. As its name suggests, this plant is really a gold storm in the garden. Melampodium Million Gold is heat tolerant and profusely produces 1/2 inch flowers even in the hot and humid conditions of Mississippi gardens. These easy to grow plants are short and rounded, making them a fantastic border plant. And Helenium Dakota Gold was selected from the native plants growing in Texas and are great for low input gardens and droughty conditions. This plant produces a cushiony canopy of fine textured foliage topped with bright golden yellow flowers. You can take the landscape gold of these gorgeous plants to the bank. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.